I want to thank you for your subscribing to the CVC Base Camp. And the purpose of this video is to give an introduction to you of how to enter the base camp and how to do your preliminary manipulations. Once you get into the base camp, you're going to be able to control it much easier if you listen to this short process I'm going to explain to you. Remember, this is an online learning platform. It's designed for the chimney, venting, and hearth industries, and it's designed by trainers, and it utilizes the best training methods that we can come up with to place learning online. Okay? So, the first thing is you're going to access the platform by going to www.cvccoaching.litmos.com. That's where you will start to go in. And you're going to see a start page that's going to look like this. What you'll need to do is enter your username and your password to enter the system. Now, the neat thing about this is, as you do this, you can save your password. Simply click here, remember me on this computer. But remember, if you ever let someone else use your computer, they're going to be able to enter under your password. So you want to be aware of that. So you're going to enter your username right here. You're going to enter your password right here. You're going to click here if you want it to remember your password. And there's also a password recovery button. If you go right here and click on this, you can then access your username, your password right from your desktop, or we can reset it from our control side on the CVC, platform. We can correct this for you at any point. If you have a problem, you just need to let us know that you need help. Okay, so let's keep going forward as we go through this. Now, when you first come on, when you log in, you're going to see a page that's going to look like this if you are a team leader. Okay, this will be the original place that you look. Now, this is going to be your administrative page as a team leader. But what I want you to notice is in the upper right-hand corner, there is a red arrow, and the red arrow is pointing at, and you could say it's a V, or you could say it's an arrow above that. What you want to do then is click onto that arrow, and it's going to take you up to your next page where you can flip from being a administrator or a user. When you come up, if you're a team leader, you're going to see in that V, when you click on it, you can switch to learner view, and when you're on learner view, you can switch back to administrative view, and that's what you are as a team leader. So that's how that particular system works there. If you come in as a learner, this will be the dashboard that you're looking at. So what this dashboard shows you all the courses that are there. And there's two ways to list this. If you look, there's a red arrow position there. So what you want to do is you can switch your view from 3 across going down. And then if you switch your view and go to the next page, that's what it would look like if you switch to the other view, which will list them in a row. Now, later in this presentation, I'll tell you what the various colors mean and all that. So let's keep going forward because we need to be able to get you into the system to properly do it. Now, at the time of this recording, this was the programming that is on the platform. And I will tell you that since this was recorded, that we have added additional programming. So this continuously builds as you're looking at this. Now, when you're looking, you're seeing the courses are in different colors. There is a color-coded system here. And if you look at the yellow courses, all of the yellow courses are courses that are CEU accredited by NFI and CSI. When you look at it, it will tell you on the cover how many CEUs. Now, if you click onto it, the next page will tell you what the CEU mix is. There are 2 short courses that we advise every user to do prior to starting using programming. One is for your learners, and these are tips on using the learner platform. And inside of that, there are several small courses. They're going to tell them how to file for their CEUs, how to use the platform. You'll also find one designed for you as a team leader. And it's your tips on how to navigate the platform and how to make the platform work best for you. Inside of the team leader tips, you will find various short videos, and some of these are PowerPoints, some of these are documents. And what they do, it gives you everything that you need to do with operating it from a team leader aspect. So if you are a team leader, this is your answer page. What we do when someone has issues, we then go in and we make up a short course and tell other people how to manipulate or how to get past the problem that someone else has. So we continuously add to this particular platform. Okay, so this is for your use in order to get to a higher level in using this. This is what the learner platform tips look like. So what you're looking at, this is going to answer the questions that your people may have. How do they file for their CEUs? How do they navigate the platform? What do the colors mean when they look at the various programs? All this is explained in these short courses. Each and every time that we add a course to the programming as a team leader, you are going to receive an email from CVC Coaching support@litmos.com. So you understand Litmos is the supplier of the software that we use. The subject of it will say CVC course, online course invitation. Inside of there, it will give you the course name and the description of the course. As a team leader, you then assign the courses to your learners. See, that's part of the whole process to make this work is you need to assign the courses that you want them to take. Don't just assign all the courses. It would be very similar to taking someone to a library and say, hey, just go pick out a book. There's a certain curriculum and process you want to find for this online process to work the most effectively for you, okay? So what is some of our team of contributors? This is just some of them. So what you're seeing is we have subject matter experts from inside the industry and from outside the industry. Always remember, help is as close as our help desk. Just simply send an email to training@cvccoaching.com and we'll be glad to assist you. We also are very happy to set up a go-to-meeting with you privately to take you through the course. We also ask you, if you've got ideas for courses, let us hear your requests. We would love to be able, we need input as to the courses. If you run into problems in the courses or if you find a mistake in the quiz system or whatever, notify us immediately. It's very easy for us to correct a lot of these things. We're CVC Coaching. We are a team of people, and our mission is to help you turn your business dreams into your business realities. And I want to thank you for being our customer and let you know that we are determined to excel. We're going to share with you the courses and the things that are realistically going to move you to a much higher level in your business life and able to help more people in what you're doing. So I want to thank you for joining and let us know how we can help you.